In this video, we'll walk through two methods to install Kali Linux on Windows. The first is using WSL Windows Subsystem for Linux, which integrates Kali seamlessly with your Windows environment. The second method is setting up Kali on Hyper-V, providing a fully virtualized and isolated environment for more advanced use cases. To install Kali Linux on Windows via WSL, start by enabling WSL in the virtual machine platform. Open the Turn Windows Features On or Off window from the control panel and check both options. After applying and restarting, open the Microsoft Store, search for Kali Linux, and install it. Once installation is complete, launch Kali, and when prompted, create a new username and password for your environment. Now, Kali will begin setting up. You'll see the terminal asking you to enter a new Unix username. Pick anything you prefer. After creating the username, set a password and confirm it. You'll be logged into the terminal automatically. For the Hyper-V method, you'll need to first enable it. Open Turn Windows Features On or Off, check the Hyper-V option, and restart your system. After that, visit Kali's official website and download the pre-built Hyper-V image. The download comes as a compressed file, so make sure to extract it using 7-zip or a similar tool. Once extracted, open PowerShell as an administrator by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Windows PowerShell Admin. Then, navigate to the directory where the extracted files are stored using the cd command. Once in the correct directory, run the script by typing .create_vm.ps1 and pressing enter. The script will then create and configure the new Kali Linux virtual machine within Hyper-V. Once the script is completed, open Hyper-V Manager from your Start menu and you'll see your new Kali VM listed there. Right-click it and select Connect, then click Start in the window that appears. Once the virtual machine is running, you'll be prompted for login details. Use the default credentials. Username is Kali, and the password is also Kali. After logging in, you can set up your environment as needed, just like any regular Kali installation. This covers the two primary methods to install Kali Linux on Windows: WSL for lightweight integration with Windows, or Hyper-V for a more isolated virtualized setup.